So we're here with Titanic Girl Kim and Thomasina Ray, President and Director of Collections at RMS Titanic Inc. Kimberly is a vintage fashion collector and Thomasina is an expert at preserving textiles from Titanic.
Hi, so tell me about the refreshed exhibition with the 4-carat diamond ring that you found.
So we brought this 4-carat diamond ring that was found inside the Gladstone bag to Las Vegas to kind of show a little bit more of the conservation work and the fine personal items that these passengers had. Obviously, diamond rings were precious now and then, so this is something that was so important to a certain passenger we don't know who it belonged to. But I love hearing about the fashion and all the different important aspects of how this ring was made and the Edwardian cut of the diamond and the pear-shaped cut and why it was pointed the certain way that it was. So we're really excited to share that with everybody here and to bring it to Las Vegas.